In 2026 and beyond, there's only going to be two types of people. The people who learn how to use tools like ChatGPT and Gemini, and the people who end up working for those who did. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use every single one of them combined to create a supercluster of PhD level brains for your personal mastermind AI group. But before we get into the video, if you're one of those people who's constantly confused and overwhelmed by the barrage of AI tools and news coming at you every day, I've made something special for you. It's called AI Income Weekly. It's a free newsletter that breaks down the newest AI trends and the different ways to make money with each one. It's delivered to your inbox every week completely for free. Simple step-by-step instructions for normal people like you and me to understand. Scan the QR code on the screen or check out the link in the description for more. And if you're ready to get into the video, hit the like button. Let's dive right in. Have you ever seen the movie Iron Man, where Tony Stark uses his personal AI assistant Jarvis, who does everything? He designs, he's a personal assistant, he gives life advice, he gives business advice. Well, ChatLLM by Abacus AI is pretty much the same thing. Here's what I mean. Whenever I use large language models, which basically means chatbots like ChatGPT and Grok and Claude and all of these advanced AI models, this is what I use them for. So ChatGPT is used as my basic virtual assistant and business advice. Grok is used for deep research. Claude is more like a close friend who pretty much always shoots straight and rarely lies to me. And Gemini is good for overall analytics. Like if you wanted to analyze pictures or video, Gemini is great for that. ChatLLM by Abacus AI has all of these in the same place. ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude. There's Perplexity, there's Search LLM. All of the top AI models in the world are on Abacus AI. The reason why this is so important is because if you want to start an AI business or any business in the world, you need a top negotiator, you need a coach, you need a business therapist, you need a consultant. All of these combined are your mastermind team. So you can switch between each one and have each one talk to each other. In the past month, I made around $10,000 passively from using all of these chat LLM models together. Now, what do I mean by that? When I do business, whether it's AI business, whether it's on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram or my courses, I heavily rely on these chat models, and they do 95% of the heavy lifting. If I didn't have these models, I would be broke because I'm not a very smart person. I'm not, guys. I'm not a smart person, but this is my Jarvis. ChatLLM by Abacus AI is my Iron Man suit. Anything that you can think of when it comes to business or personal life, Abacus AI can do it for you. This is how I start my day usually. I say something like this to motivate me. Tell me all the ways that AI is powerful and why it has the possibility to make me a millionaire within the next year. And here's what it gives us, guys. Check this out. Automation of cognitive work. Writing emails, blog posts, sales page, scripts, documentation. It can produce 5 to 10 times more output per hour, even as a solo operator, which means that you can run a multi-million-dollar company by yourself. This has been impossible for the entirety of the world, for the history of the world. It's been impossible to become a millionaire and run $1 million company by yourself. Now, with these LLMs, it's absolutely possible. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this information, we're gonna copy it, we're gonna go up to the top here, and we're gonna choose another LLM like Claude. Claude is more of a common sense LLM. ChatGPT sometimes hallucinates, but Claude will shoot it to you straight. We're going to say something like this. I need you to analyze this information that ChatGPT gave me and tell me what you think of it, and also add any additional information that you think can possibly help me become a multi-millionaire in the next year. Thank you. I love you. I always tell these guys I love them because I do. I mean, it's AI, but it's just so helpful. Here we go. He acknowledges that I love him, which is good. Okay, it's going to analyze ChatGPT's response here. What ChatGPT undersold or missed, and it's going to tell you what they lacked in the previous response. The speed and timing advantage is more extreme than stated. We're in a 2 to 3 year window where most businesses competitors will still be slow to adopt AI deeply. Right now, a solo person with strong AI workflows can genuinely outcompete 5 to 10 person teams in many niches. Guys, this is incredible. This is incredible. This did not exist in the history of the world. Like, if you wanted to become a multi-million-dollar company, whatever you're doing, drop shipping, AI, courses, YouTube, TikTok, whatever the case may be, you had to have minimum 5 to 10 people. Now, with all of these LLM models available at your fingertips, this is your mastermind, guys. This is your entire team. This is your employees, all on one website. Also, alongside your mastermind, ChatLLM by Abacus has the greatest image generation models in the world. It's super easy. Pick your image generation model, enter a prompt, and it literally creates you a hyper-realistic picture in less than a couple of seconds. Guys, with the image generation, you can use this for YouTube faceless videos. You can use this for Instagram, Facebook posts, TikTok, you name it. Anything that you want as far as image generation, ChatLLM has it. They also have state-of-the-art video generation. Check it out. Enter your prompt, and it gives you hyper-realistic videos. You can choose anime, you can choose retro, you can choose realistic, photorealistic, cinematic. AI technology in 2026 is so advanced, and it's moving at the speed of light. No, you know what? Scratch that. It's moving at the speed of a UAP, powered by an anti-gravitic propulsion system using element 115 to fold space and time in on itself, aggressively propelling itself forward 1,000,000 miles per second. Now, that is fast. And on ChatLLM, it's all here. But since AI is moving so fast, sometimes it can get complicated and it is overwhelming. I know that there's new AI tools and news coming out every day. There's ChatGPT, there's Claude, there's Grok, there's Nano Banana, there's Google VEO3, there's prompting. What prompt should I use? How do I make budget? We get it. Oh my God, we get it, AI world. You're moving super fast. And that's okay. And that's why I created AI Income Weekly. It's a completely free newsletter that takes the latest AI trends, the most important AI news in the world, and it breaks it down in a step-by-step fashion that's easy to understand. And in the newsletter, I show you how to make money with AI for beginners. There's no complicated words, there's no tech talk. It's broken down simply for normal people like you to understand and to take action today. Whenever you join the newsletter, you're also entered for a chance to win my entire AI ecosystem, which includes 5 AI courses and my #1 best-selling faceless YouTube course. So scan the QR code or click on the link in the description below to join now completely for free. And we're going to go a bit deeper. Actually, we're going to go a lot deeper. We're going to feed it into Grok. Grok is basically like that guy who never leaves his house, who has 1,000,000 books stacked up. He's always reading. He's always knowledgeable. He's 10 steps ahead of everyone on the planet. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Grok up here and say, tell me what you think about Claude's information here, as well as ChatGPT's information. Analyze it. Give me any other further data that I need. I need you to really think deep here, bud. Thank you, and I love you. Yeah, he loves me too. Now it's analyzing ChatGPT's original response, as well as Claude's response. Okay, so it keeps saying, and this is getting me excited, it keeps saying it is downplaying the explosive growth potential in AI niches. We're now in 2025, and AI adoption is accelerating faster than predicted. A quick web search confirms AI could add $13 trillion to global GDP by 2030. 13 trillion. No, not million, not billion. 13 trillion to global GDP by 2030. With solo entrepreneurs capturing outsized shares in niches like personalized education or e-com automation. Guys, in case you didn't know, AI is the future. AI is so powerful. It has the ability to not only make single-person company millionaires, but also billionaires as well. Not only can ChatLLM be your mastermind business group, but there's so many other features on the website that are awesome. It can create a landing page. It does coding. It does pictures. You can do deep research, PowerPoint presentations, create images. There's video generation, there's lip sync, there's humanizing, there's document generation, editor. You can scrape URLs, screenshots, video analysis, task, text to speech, speech to text. So many features on this website. It's absolutely incredible. But in case you weren't already impressed, go down to Deep Agent. Deep Agent has the ability to create entire apps, entire applications at the click of a button. There's PowerPoints, there's chatbots, there's AI workflows, there's trading, there's videos, coding, research, data analysis. There's so many features here on ChatLLM by Abacus AI. This is going to be your one-stop shop for everything you need. personal assistant, business assistant, negotiator. Use your imagination with this, guys. And for right now, you can get ChatLLM with Abacus AI for only $10 a month. Make sure to click the link in the description to learn more. Alrighty, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Alrighty, have a good one. Bye.